Dogs in a cluster together. See now, watch with this hair up. It means she's waiting to kind of get an action from her. If this one does something, they're going to get into a little bit of a fight or something. And here's another one, the softer one. This one belongs to me now. Hey, Bruno. So see, he wags his tail, and in spite of the fact that now he's a home pet, I shall get him to meet his family, the brothers and the sisters. So he sits with them calmly. They do nothing to him. And he's going to go on wagging his tail. There's another one who's joined in. This one is Rufus. I've shared this before. She was a case of domestic abuse. So she's also softened up a little bit. But yes, of course, when the servants go or somebody runs from front of her, she has a memory of hers. Before we're assuming this before her because she starts, kind of wanting to bite or get hold of the leg or something. So maybe there's something like that. So that's the way the mind of dogs works and stuff. So to me, they do nothing. If you can see, hey, Rufus. So she's also softened up a lot now. So because they've been spending time with human beings and children, and people are visiting them and playing with them, feeding them, they're around them, they've sobered down a lot. Actually, people who've been watching them have started giving feedback, interesting feedback, that they've actually calmed down a lot. And that's the way they are shaping up now. So the older the dog grows, the more docile it gets. It depends on how you treat them. If you're going to be tying them up, and if you're going to be beating them, if you're going to be locking them up in rooms and stuff, and you're going to use sticks on them and not feeding them appropriately, not cuddling them, not playing with them, not spending time with them, then they're definitely going to get into ferocious dogs, and you term them as aggressive, okay? So he is at least 6 feet or maybe 5. People misunderstood him or misunderstand him still to be the aggressive, because that's a preconceived mindset of people. That's what they've grown. The first few days were an insight for me, because wherever I would take him, people would be scared of him. But now when they see him, they know that he's not that the way they thought he is, and they want to kind of be around him and play with him and feed him. And all of them have grown on the minds of a lot of people. There are a lot of other dogs also over here, but this is one zone here. So the other side has about 5 of them, that other side. So that's the territory they have. And you carry a stick with you and you try and scare them, but they'll keep wagging their tail because they meet you every day and they want to kind of play and pet with you. So before you raise a rod, or before you have a preconceived thing about pets especially, or dogs, because this is about